Another misconception is the following. If I know what the electric field is at a single point in space, so let's say this is point x naught, and let's say that number is E naught. Okay, just a number. I'm just using variables instead of specific numbers. Let's say you know what is the electric field here at that particular point in space. The misconception would be that given this value, given this number, 1 Newton per coulomb, 2 Newtons per coulomb, whatever you want, given this number, I can find what is the potential difference, delta V, between, say, x naught and let's say x1 here, that I can find the v1 minus v naught. Now, this is a misconception because the theory says the following. To find the potential difference between 2 points, you need to calculate, okay, so this would be minus the negative, the negative area under the electric field position graph. Okay, the negative area under the electric field position graph. Now, this is the important part. I need to calculate an area. To find an area, I need to have a line. I need to know the graph, and that graph needs to go all the way from x0 to x1. So, only if I know that the electric field looks like this is x0, this is x1, only if I know what the entire graph looks like, only then I can actually calculate the area under that. Okay, because this will give me minus the area under the graph. If somebody tells you the value only at one point, you know you cannot find the potential difference between those 2 points. Now, in a similar way, if somebody gives you not just one value for the electric field, but they give you both of these, both this one, both that number and that number. Say this is 1 Newton per coulomb, so say this is 1.2 Newtons per coulomb. Is it sufficient for you to find the potential difference between those 2 points? No, it is not. That information is not sufficient for you to find delta V. You need to know how the electric field varies at all points from x0 to x1. You need to have the line, you need to have the graph in order to find the area. Okay, so only if you know the electric field as a function of position between the 2 points that you want, only then you can find the potential difference.